Welcome to Life Guru. Today, we're delving into the realm of relaxation and rejuvenation with essential tips for better sleep and insomnia relief. If you've ever struggled with getting a good night's rest or battled with insomnia, you're in the right place. We've got some valuable insights to help you improve your sleep and wake up feeling refreshed and energized. So, let's dive right in. 1. Create a sleep-friendly environment. The first step to better sleep is creating a sleep-friendly environment. Make your bedroom a peaceful sanctuary by keeping it dark, cool, and comfortable. Invest in quality pillows and a mattress that supports your body, ensuring a restful slumber. Let us know in the comments how you enhance your sleep environment. We'd love to hear your tips. 2. Establish a consistent sleep schedule. Consistency is key. Try to stick to a regular sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your internal body clock and improves the quality of your sleep. Are you a night owl or an early bird? Tell us about your sleep schedule preferences. 3. Unwind with relaxation techniques. Unwind before bedtime with relaxation techniques. Engage in calming activities such as reading a book, practicing gentle yoga, or meditating. This helps signal to your body that it's time to wind down and prepares you for a peaceful sleep. Share your favorite relaxation techniques with us. Let's inspire each other to find tranquility before bedtime. 4. Limit screen time before bed. Say goodbye to screens before bedtime. The blue light emitted by electronic devices can disrupt your sleep. Instead, opt for reading a book or listening to soothing music to promote better sleep. Challenge yourself to a screen-free hour before bed tonight. Let us know how it makes you feel in the morning. 5. Mind your diet and hydration. Be mindful of what you eat and drink before bedtime. Avoid heavy meals, caffeine, and excessive liquids close to bedtime to reduce nighttime disruptions. Share your go-to-bedtime snacks with us. We'd love to hear your healthy choices. There you have it, essential tips for better sleep and insomnia relief. Remember, quality sleep is essential for overall well-being and productivity. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Life Guru for more wellness tips. Sleep well, wake up refreshed, and take on each day with a smile. Until next time, sweet dreams.